this is your channel messages for the 7th of June. Your channel message today, Aries, is the Chariot, Virgo, and the 8 of Cups. So I'm getting something about a police officer that you knew or you know. It's a Virgo. I'm also getting something about somebody could have been a police officer or somebody was destined to be in like security. Even if it's securing like top clientele, but me getting them had a drinking addiction, so them fall off. Now I'm also getting a Virgo. Somebody's trying to sway you away from what your destiny is. And if you don't want to call it your destiny, somebody's trying to sway you away from what drives you. So whatever you do for a hobby that can really turn into something big and professional, me getting a Virgo is swaying you out of it. This could also be you're being swayed to go into security. Me getting somebody, a Virgo, they might try to sway you to go into security or something of like you're protecting. Now, I know that especially in Canada with the gender roles, people might see this as very insensitive, but it's not a man's job to secure. I mean, the husband's supposed to provide and protect, right? So what the fuck you want your wife though? She can protect the home, she can protect the food, she can protect the baby. But me getting somebody is trying to, me getting whatever, if you are a singer, aspiring singer, me getting one Virgo while you're going to some type of security business. Or them want you totally dismiss your dreams and your aspirations, and them trying to sway you to go into another direction. Probably because they want somebody else to take on your destiny, so they need to distract you. But me getting something about somebody wanting a security is not a man's job. So to all my females who decided to make a living by being of homeland security when it comes down to your favorite condominium or your favorite artist and a bodyguard, your security. It's a reason why there's no female bodyguards. And if they are female bodyguards, chances are you're not going to see them on the outside, you're going to see them on the inside. Now, I feel like somebody want you to go into intelligence. Maybe the handling and the disperse of information. But don't feel like somebody want you physically stand out somewhere to watch something and inform. I don't think that. And securities don't even have gun. So you want me to secure with a baton. You want me to secure with pepper spray. I'm already trying to secure my pussy for being safe from some of these rapist men and some of these men with a fucking mace. And you want me to turn on security and have that mace and feel like there's protection. And God knows how much fucking warehouse you're going to be securing and it's bare demonology activities happening in the fucking building. Especially if you're somebody who... If you work a old condominium or you work a hospital, you're going to see some weird ass shit what will cause you to run and leave your blood clot job. Ask how much of these fast food workers that don't have security on the late night shift, ask them about the shit them say. So anyways, me getting a Virgo while you're going to security, me getting you could have, but drinking, kind of totally not that dream. I'm getting destiny swapping because the Chariot is 2 people. I'm getting Virgo, I'm getting Cancer. Okay? So let's see what's in your reading today. Aries, the Emperor. I don't know if there's a man who used to be in police force. I don't know if he's retired. I don't know if he's an army person, but I'm getting somebody saying, hey, you should totally go into it. Okay. Now, maybe if you did look, I don't know how you look, I don't know what your body weight is. I weigh 108 pounds. What the fuck me look like doing insecurity? What am I going to I can secure information. I'm trained to do that. But then why you stand up and look out? Watch. Over, Rogers, Canada. Rogers, Canada, over. That's what the fuck them want you do. Perhaps you find you want more meaningfulness to life than sitting down and informing. And to all the people who are doing it, thank you so much for your service, especially the places that we go where we know that money is being handled and exchanged. Thank you so much for your service. But me getting, in this case, that ain't, I don't know what kind of weird falsifying type of career somebody I try to put you in and they think you're airheaded enough to just follow along. Then you have to stand up long periods of time. You have to stand up. I don't know about you, but girls have periods. And something girls always complain about is back pain. Now, if you're the girl who trying to be a man and you're not complaining when you have a period, that's fine. I will. go ahead and go into your reading. No, you gotta stand up for long hours at a time. Long hours at a time while all that gravity is pulling that blood out of you. No, thank you. That's for a man. Let the man do it. First card out, High Aries, the Emperor. So I'm getting is an Emperor. Is it a police officer? Is this a retired police officer who wanted to go into security? Perhaps he want you for work with him. There's other ways of doing that. And not putting me in lesbian looking pants. Or you, the Aries, the Emperor. Hi, Emperor. So I'm getting something about like a, I don't know if it's a Fortune 500 company or somebody who, yeah, he have money. It's a man. Yeah, I don't like men who want women to do men's job. I don't like men who will be like, you're a girl, but it's okay. Men do it all the time. Even though the men weigh the same weight you are, even though the men have the same age you are, you can do it too. Yes, but the men don't bleed. It's a difference. I don't like men who like to make women play manly roles. That's very disgusting to me. I'm turned off about it. Yeah. That's like you there with a man and you're him girlfriend and him now getting no money. But I don't like the man them who like for make a man and woman play the same role. For example, you have a husband and the husband now getting no money, he might tell you to look at a job, but he might fuck you. But if him and him friends them go out for a drink at the bar, he might pay. If you want to buy something that him feel like is not of money quality, him gonna tell you to get a source of income and buy it. So I'm very wary of men like that. Them usually on the DL. That's the first thing. Second thing, them usually employ women to belittle them, to mistreat them, or to basically remind them that even though you're in a masculine field, you're a woman. So I don't really agree with that, okay? But maybe you do, Aries, because you're more masculine. We have the Page of Swords. We have the King of Swords. We have the Eight of Wands. We have the Page of Wands. And we also have the Hermit. So even looking on this setup, there's no women here. Yeah, you mean like security jobs? And you might say, oh, well, female officers are police officers. That is great for them. But I feel like you want something more soulful out of life. You understand? You see, one thing I noticed, corporate people don't know how airheaded they are. I mean, having money don't mean you have intelligence. You have money. And all of you are dead. So you, with your nice corporate job, with your money, with your car, that don't mean shit to me. Or people who are spiritual. They don't give a fuck about that. There's nothing you can rub in somebody's face, especially when they know that you have physical, but your spiritual life is shitty. Yes, you're rich with that house and car. How's your cheating husband? Oh yeah, you have a nice car and a nice resume, so much experience. Corporate Canada knows you. How is your daughter who can't stop fucking down the guys in college? See, rich people have problems just like poor people. Poor people problems is to find money and to find a source of income. Rich people problems is dealing with the destruction their gluttonous belly caused them. And they're usually always sick. Rich people usually always have health problems. So you rather a 9-to-5 man who have a good health or a rich man who's dealing with liver cancer? Which one? It's be your man. So them want your own man. The Emperor, the Page of Swords, the King of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Hermit is man. It's all man. So what am I trying to cover up? Are you supposed to be working in a big factory and all of a sudden you go missing? Or perhaps you're working at a place as a girl and something is being misidentified as a man for their documents or their own purposes. Perhaps they hire you, them hire one man and you is on the payroll, but you and the man is sharing the same pay. I don't fucking know. But me getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Me getting something about a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius working for this man. Me don't know if somebody in some type of police, in security, whatever vibe that is. But me getting is all men. Is men. Usually is men. Me don't know where you want girls secure. Where you want she do. I mean, if you're a girl and you're in security, that's okay. Coming. Wait. My apologies. Okay, continuing the reading, right? Yeah, it's all men. So if you're a girl and insecurity, I mean, kudos to you for representing for the women. But I don't know, they're gonna have you around other men. I don't know if there are places that are only female allotted and they need female security there. You get me? Like it's only females and them don't want a male security in the building, so them only want female security. It could be something like that. But me getting Emperor is you want somebody for work close alongside you. Does it have to be that masculine though? I'm sorry, you guys don't like to talk about gender roles here. The Emperor is clarified by the angel. Okay. Emperor, what you want? I feel like you just want somebody to be around you. Why you never hire a secretary? Why you never hire one cleaner? You know, that she could have been there earlier than security and later than security. Because it's like you saying, I want this person to go into the police force, but no, I'm going to be there to protect them. So what you want? You want work beside somebody because it's weird if you and somebody don't do the same job and spending time together. Because obviously people going to be like, you guys, and are you documenting this? Do you need to write this in the police reports? Come and get in the angel. So somebody do mean well. Maybe somebody need to tell you. Come and feel like somebody are trying to trick you and sway you into doing that certain type of job. Now maybe the job going to be beneficial, as in who you're going to meet, people, clientels. Maybe the pay is really good. But I feel like somebody need for them to do it in a more masculine way. They need for probably, I don't know. I'm getting maybe something is not for you to know. It's really for the Emperor. Come and get seeing him have good intentions. The angel is there. He does have good intentions. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Drop the, you don't need filler. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. In the kitchen whipping up, cooking your own bread. Heart full of ecstasy, you're an asset. You don't need no tension. These are my only intention. Shout out to your mom for making you, babe. Me get to him have good intentions. But it's just that any place of work where you mix up around a lot of man, is either they're gonna use you as eye candy. Alright, being used as eye candy is not bad, because eye candy is like waitresses. Like Hooters. R.I.P. Hooters. R.I.P. H.O. Hooters. R.I.P. Right? Like Hooters, the girls are, but to me, that more feminine. With the girl them are dressed up in a shorts and embrace a show, that's more feminine to me, rather than to tell a girl to go in security. But not a lot of women like to willingly exploit them being a woman. The Page of Swords is clarified by the Emperor. You see, I feel like I do have good intentions. We have the Emperor 2 times. Because me getting a saying, I want somebody for work along. I want somebody for work in the same field. Me working because I already know people. Then you're saying, and on top of that, I will be what? It's like you're a security watching a screen and there's a man who will watch you watch the screen. See? The Emperor again, him a protect the lamb. So me getting whoever this Emperor is, I don't know if your father, I don't know if somebody in your family who used to insecurity, or I don't know if it's I don't know who it is, but me getting somebody have good intentions. Me getting whatever job this is, somebody does not plan for you to get hurt on the job. But again, it's a male, it's a man. King of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. That's the job. Maybe somebody want to introduce it to somebody else. Maybe there is a police officer out there who have a son and want you to meet the son. I don't know if the son is in the same thing. Or me getting him asking a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius to give you this opportunity. 8 of Wands is clarified by the... Yeah, see, a lot of money. Me getting something have the potential to make a lot of money. It's not about the job. It's just putting you in the position, and then them can give you what them want give you underneath the table. So maybe this is something good. Maybe it won't be something too hectic. Because me getting the Emperor, me getting him, I gotta protect you. I'm not saying it's him job, but me getting the person who is pushing you to go into this field. There's an all-seeing eye who will watch you. Because me getting you're going to get the opportunity, but me getting 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands. Me getting a lot of money for just doing nothing. You know, like security guards. No, I'm joking. If your security guard is not doing anything, it means that your business is protected. If your security guard was running up and down, Roger, this, Roger, how much money I owe you for this week's internet bill, right? Then you know that your place is unsafe. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Swords, and the Hermit card is clarified by the Ace of Cups. Yeah, me getting whoever you work with, whoever your boss is, me getting this person, me not gonna say them not in love. They're fond of you. But you can be fond of your daughter. Okay? You can be fond of you can be fond of somebody you teach. So I'm not getting its romantic feelings. But I'm getting somebody do have to hide. Because the Hermit is somebody who's experienced and somebody who, I don't know if somebody's about to retire. But I'm getting somebody have to cover up I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's somebody who's reputable. I'm not getting a married man. I'm not getting a man who a cheat on his wife. I'm not getting not like that. I'm getting somebody's like you, I want you work near me. No, the feel I do maybe not something you would ever do, but you're going to do it anyway because I need you to work underneath me. So I'm getting there may be a higher purpose, a higher call for this, but I'm not going to tell you to just do what you want to do for the sake of hoping. But I am getting that, I'm getting this, and it's bare man. No woman came out. And then if somebody's like, oh, you work really good around men. Yeah, but man in a construction. You know where else men are, where I don't want to be? Bars. Like, kudos to my bartenders who can deal with men who are drunk. Because that's not a job what I want. Bartender, liquor, alcohol, that's stressful. I know the men drunk and them will probably tip you really good, but I am just not willing to exchange that energy. Worse, me there around too much spirit, which is the alcohol. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. We have the soul was sold, or I'm getting you were already sold to the Emperor, and I'm just trying to find where to navigate you. We have Aquarius. We have Ophiuchus. We have human and sex trafficking. We have Virgo. Yeah, that was your message, Virgo. And we also have Mercury. Mercury rules Gemini. I don't know. Even if this is something where a lot of men work in a certain type of field, I'm getting... Even if you're a type of girl who can get along with men, I don't know, I'm getting them want to put in a security. I feel like they want to put in an intelligence. Like intelligence, that's what they want. The passing and exchange of information, the accumulation of information, I'm getting that's what somebody really want you to do. It's not about security and having a gun beside you. I don't think that's what it is. Because I think if something was, because that's a different, yeah, okay, what's a security and a bodyguard? Because security won't hit you. A security will either call for backup, or if them immediately getting attacked, them can use them mace and button or them taser. Because I say security with gun, right? Okay, when you have bodyguard, them will lift you up and throw you out of the club. So, I don't know. I do see good intentions. I just don't know what your intentions are. I'm going to leave it here. Aries, until next time. Bye.